Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is January the 22nd. We are out here on our screen and recoat with UV Cure. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Shannon. Shout out to my guys, Christian Furniture Moving. They came out and moved the furniture for Mr. and Mrs. Shannon. They're going to come back this afternoon and move it back because they are doing the UV Cure. So what we're doing here, guys, is a screen and recoat. I came out here back in December. They booked on the spot, but they said, Courtney, we're going to wait till after the holidays. So we're out here, and I also have a ride along. William, he's from the Carolina area. He's one of my newer students, so he's out here doing a 2-day ride along. We got that rain coming. So again, just going to be careful today and tomorrow. And then I also got 3 consultations. I was supposed to do one before here, but they're all in the same area. We got 2 in Alpharetta and then 1 in Swanee this afternoon on our way back to Lawrenceville. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in the Alpharetta, Georgia area. Got all the furniture moved out. The furniture guys came out this morning. This is Mr. and Mrs. Nick. And what you see, guys, these floors definitely need a good screening. A lot of wear up in here, all through here. There's Tavares, not too bad over here. Then so also we got this drop down living room. You see that big wear area right there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hook up the vacuum. I'm gonna let, there's my ride along William from the Carolinas. So he's gonna be offering this service in his area. And you see a lot of wear right up in here, all through here, and then through here. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're just testing out some different grits right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah. Alpharetta, Georgia. Real floors, real wear. Let's talk about it. Floors was tired, yeah, they seen some years. Footsteps heavy, left scars and tears. Sunlight faded, what the grain once showed. Life got dull in that hardwood soul. But we don't sand it down, now we bring it back. Screen and recoat, keep it clean, keep it intact. Old school jazz with that southern drawl. Modern UV, yeah, we cure it all. Bring the wood back, let it shine again. One day system, Truman got the pen. Screen, record, UV light glow. Back to life, let them hardwood show. Bring the wood back, smooth like that, babe. Jazz in the room, blues in the space. Hip hop, heartbeat, slow. No dust in the air, no weeks on pause. Home still living, that's the Truman law. Real process, not a quick disguise. You don't rush craft, you let it ride. From worn down boards to a clean new gleam. That grain talk different when it touched that beam. UV, cure like it is, yeah, it hold that line. That shine ain't loud, it's confident shine. This ain't a flip, it's a restoration. Respect the flow, respect the home. Bring the wood back, let it shine again. Truman system, yeah, we do it within. Screen, record, UV cure right. Same day walk, same night live. Alpharetta, Georgia. Flaws back talking again. That's the Truman touch.
This is not Christian, this is Jaw. You've seen in a lot of videos, and this is Kevin. So they are moving the furniture back. Yeah. Got the furniture going back. Mr. Shannon was just giving me some great feedback. His wife loved the work. They love the work. So you can see the furniture. That's the benefit of the UV Cure, guys. The furniture goes back same day. Thank you, Mr. Shannon. Yeah. They really love the work. And again, this makes me feel good. How old is the floor? You said
23 years.
23 years, guys. It's the first time this floor has been touched. And I love doing these type of floors. So, Ms. Shannon, like I say, again, this is the screen.
Oh, this is really incredible.
Thank you. And Miss Shannon was the one that found me out there how it was just so worn.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. And Miss Shannon actually found me on Instagram.
That's right.
Yeah, she saw me on Instagram, guys. All right.
This is great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. It's like you don't want to walk. It's so perfect.
Thank you.
Wow.
And look at that furniture with the UV system. Furniture going back same day.
That's right.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. Yep. Furniture going back same day, guys.
This is really beautiful.
Thank you, Miss Shannon. Thank you.
Wow.
When I get 3 wows, that means I did something good. Already.
That's awesome.
And I can't smell any fumes.
Oh, that's a good thing. We use water-based products only. Actually, your neighbor 3 doors down, I went and gave them a quote. She said she had the floors done 10 years ago. They said the smell was so horrendous because they use oil-based. She said, Courtney, we couldn't come in for 2 weeks. That's
I
what.
believe that.
What people did you see?
3 houses down. It's the White House on the little hill. I think his name is.
Jim?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, I know Jim.
Yeah.
We talk every morning.
Yep.
Jim and what's her wife?
Margie.